Google Ads works better when it's connected to your other Google tools. Let me show you how to link everything together so your data actually talks to each other. I'm Kelsey with KaeRae Marketing. Most business owners have Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google Business Profile, and maybe even Search Console, all running separately. When you connect them, you get better data, better targeting, and better results. Here's how to link everything. When your Google tools are connected, you can see what happens after someone clicks on your ads in Analytics. You can show your business address in your ads with Google Business Profile, and you can import leads directly into your reports from all the tools. You can use data from one tool to improve the other. When they're separate, you're missing half of the picture. First, connect Google Ads to Google Analytics. This is a big one. Step 1, go into Google Ads, then go to Tools and Settings, then Linked Accounts. Step 2, find your Google Analytics and click Details. Step 3, you'll see your analytics properties listed. Click Link next to the one you want to connect. And Step 4, in Google Analytics, go to Admin, then Google Ads Links, and accept the connection. Once linked, you can see engagement rates, time on your site for your ad traffic, import analytic goals into Google Ads as conversions, and you can create audiences and analytics and use them for remarketing in Google Ads. This connection is essential. Do this first. Second, connect your Google Ads to your Google Business Profile so you can use the location extensions. Step 1, go to Tools and Settings, then Linked Accounts. Step 2, find your Google Business Profile and click Details. Step 3, sign in with your Google account that owns your Google Business Profile. Step 4, select your business location and click Link. Once linked, your ads can show your address as a map link and your distance from the searcher. This builds trust and increases clicks. If you have multiple locations, you can link them all and control which ones show at the campaign level. Third, connect Google Ads to Search Console. This is optional but useful. Step 1, same place, Tools and Settings, Linked Accounts. Step 2, find Search Console and click Details. Step 3, link your verified website. Once connected, you can see the paid and organic report that shows which keywords you're ranking for organically and paying for the gaps where you rank organically but aren't running ads. Opportunities where you're paying and could be ranking for free. This helps you make smarter budget decisions. Fourth, if you have a YouTube channel, link it too. Step 1, Tools and Settings, Linked Accounts, YouTube. Sign in and select your channel. This lets you run video ads on YouTube through Google Ads, create remarketing audiences based on video views, see engagement metrics for your video ads. Even if you're not running video ads now, linking it up will set you up for later. To see everything that's connected or troubleshoot issues, go to Tools and Settings, Setup, Linked Accounts. You'll see a list of all Google products and their connection status. Green check marks mean they're linked. If something shows not linked, that's what you need to fix. To connect your Google tools, go to Tools and Settings, then Linked Accounts. Link Google Analytics, essential for understanding what happens after the click. Link Google Business Profile, required for location extensions, and link Search Console, optional but helpful for paid versus organic insights. And link YouTube. If you have a channel or plan to run video ads, it takes 10 minutes and it makes everything work better together. If you're not sure if everything is connected properly, I can check all of these in my Google Ads audit. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more Google Ads tutorials.